Okay, here we go.
So guys, we got the Ford Raptor, and let's see if it can go over the rocks. Right now we're outside taking a little rest, but I don't want to play with the Ford Raptor outside.
Okay.
That was Mommy's idea.
It was your idea. You want to play in the backyard, but the backyard is grassy, so I'm not sure if it's going to run, but we'll see. Right here. On the asphalt and on the rocks. Check it out.
Go!
Is it going to run? Oops. Ooh. You did it. It left the trailer, though. Okay, try it on the road.
Road?
Yeah.
On the cement.
Okay, on the cement. Because it eats up so much battery if it's on the rock. Okay. You ready? Okay. You ready?
Wait, let me connect the trailer.
Uh-oh.
And now let's go!
Let's go! Whoa! Let it run on its own without the trailer first. It's having a hard time with the trailer because it didn't come with a trailer.
Right here.
Yeah, it didn't come with a trailer, so it's having a hard time with a trailer.
Let's carry.
Come on.
Oh. Ew.
Okay, go. On the road.
No.
Let it jump the other direction. It can go on rocks for sure. You got enough battery to make it run on rocks. But
it's trying to get up.
uh-oh, because there's a dip in there. See? Okay. Woohoo.
Let's see if it slide down. Or slide down, I mean. Slide. You give up?
Okay. Be careful, huh? Rosemary is right here. You have allergies on rosemary, so be careful, okay?
It didn't jump. It just got stuck right there.
Okay. Are you cold? You're okay.
Was it yours? It was
Are you cold or are you okay?
yours. Okay.
You're okay.
Oh.
Let it run on the road. Check it out on the road. Why do you not want to run it on the pavement? Yeah. Thanks for coming to me. I want to see you run on the road. Right there on the asphalt.
On the black?
Yeah.
Of course I'd run over it.
No. Remember, nobody drives this direction. Good job.
Right here.
Okay. See? Keep going. What happened? Good job. Battery's dying. I told you to charge more batteries, so when it dies, then you have another 5 to replace it with. Do we have more AA batteries to recharge? Bah. Do we have more AA batteries to recharge? So that when those 5 die, we can just replace it with another 5? Uh-oh. Good job. Remember, it's okay to play on this side of the road because nobody drives this side. Okay?
What's on this green stuff?
Grass.
Grass?
Grass. Is there dog poop? Is there dog poop?
What?
Is there dog poop?
No.
Okay. I like your shoes.
It's barely going.
I like your shoes. What are those?
Hot Wheels.
Wow.
guys.
Okay, what is it? Whoa! What is it? Are we done? Say thank you for watching.
No, we're not done.
We're not done? Okay. Just a few more seconds, okay?
Okay.
So you can enjoy and I don't have to record you, okay?
Okay.
Okay, go back right there on the road.
Let's go on the road.
We'll try with a, what is that, trailer? Okay, be careful.
Alright, now drive.
Having a hard time? Got it. The Raptor is running with a trailer. Cool, man.
Going in the Tira's garage.
Uh-oh.
There. Got stuck by Raptor. Okay, now.
That's a Raptor? Okay, thank you for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe for this off-roading. Don't forget to subscribe for more off-road videos.
See you later.
See you later.
Bye.